Hi everyone, and thank you for watching another youtouchit.com production. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up your iPhone 4 on iOS 4.0 or 4.01 to work with SimpleMobile. Getting SimpleMobile is not quite simple as it seems. That's the name of the company. But setting up your phone after you buy 3G data from them, or in this case Edge, because 3G will not work on your iPhone 4, only Edge. It is MVNO of T-Mobile, so it is running on T-Mobile's towers, and the 3G will not work. So make sure to turn off 3G on your jailbroken/unlocked iPhone in order to get this to work, or you will have problems. So let's go ahead and show you how to set up your internet and MMS for your iPhone. This will also work on the 3GS and the 3G. So what you want to do is, let's zoom in here, is first and mostly check these settings and make sure that these are in here. They will be written below, so read the details. You want to go into your settings, and what you want to do is go to general. In general, you want to go to network. You want to go into cellular data network. This is where I had a problem. This was not showing up for me. This whole section was invisible. I only had cellular data on and off switch, nothing here, and data roaming. So what I did to get this back was I popped out the SIM card and popped it back in while I was on the screen, and somehow magically it showed back up. But I'm not sure if that will happen in your case. Hopefully it does. If it does not, then I would suggest downloading advanced settings. I don't think that will 100% work. Some people said it worked for them. It did not work for me, so I popped it out and got lucky, popped it back in. I believe also if you have the original micro SIM that came with the phone from AT&T and pop it in there, this should show up. That is the original SIM. So once you have this up, what you want to do is tap on that. Make sure your APN for cellular data is simple. APN set to simple. For MMS, set to simple. And you will need to fill in your MMSC listed below in the details. And once that's listed, make sure that your MMS Max Message Size is at 307/200 or 300. So that would be the basic settings. Everything else should be blank, and now you will be set up for Edge Internet and MMS. You will be able to send and receive MMS now. Like I said, the switch should be off. There are alternative ways to set this up. You can add the LEI mobile repository, and they have a quick setup that's supposed to work, which I did install but did not work for me. So I've heard success stories for other people. I'm guessing it might only work for 4.00 and not 4.01, and maybe that was my problem. Not sure if it was updated to work for 4.01 or if that's even important. Let's ignore this quickly, and I'll show you the source here. I tapped on the wrong thing, so let's go back to sources, and in sources you will see LEI mobile repo. You will need to add that. It is also listed in the details, and there's also the site official iPhone or iPhone, and I will list that, and I will list below what you will need to download. But going quickly down, if we go to LEI, I just listed in here, I passed it. LEI mobile, and as you can see, I do have SimpleMobile 4.0 MMS installed, and it didn't work for me, but I did install it. It's supposed to automatically set up your MMS for you and have all those settings built in for MMS and SimpleMobile. So if it works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, the other settings should definitely work. Those are down hard settings, and it will redirect you to the right server so that you could MMS and get online. So I hope that this video has been informational and your iPhone is now working with your $60 a month unlimited everything plan. Much better than actually paying 100 and change or 140, which was about the average I was paying every month after taxes and etc. for AT&T. So obviously this is not my only phone and I can't live without 3G data, but as my secondary phone, definitely worth it. Definitely worth $60 a month, unlimited everything. So give it a shot. Let me know if this worked out for you and join our channel. Don't forget to visit youtouchit.com and exabyte.db for previews, reviews, and more.